everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to redeem your Robux gift card on your mobile device. So just on the home screen of your phone, let's go on over to Roblox and open this up. Here's Roblox. Now in the bottom right we can go to where it says more. Select more. Then scroll through here. Now there should be an option to redeem your gift card, so you can see buy, here's redeem. So if you don't have this though, it can get really frustrating typing this in. Just reveal your gift card and then type it in right here. Now if you don't have it, you want to go all the way down to help and safety and click this. Then go to help. And scroll on down and go to search for articles and go to redeem. Once you type that in, go to the first option. It says payment, gift cards, and subscription. Now just go to roblox.com/redeem. Click right there. And then you're going to be prompted to go to this website. Sign in with your account. Do the little caption thing or CAPTCHA that pops up. And then you can just enter in your gift card directly on the website. So just make sure you're entering in the credentials to the same account that you're logged into for the app. Otherwise, you're going to be adding it to a different account. So then you just have to type it in right here, scratch off the back of the gift card, type in the code right here, hit redeem, and it's going to be added to your account now. Congrats! Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.